How to add VPN on Android. Go to Setting. In the search right, VPN. Click on VPN option. Now you can see there is no VPN added. Click on plus icon to add VPN. Now go to Play Store app. Search VPN. Now select anyone from here. Click on Install. Now open it. Click on Accept. Give the information. You can see it is connected. Now go to VPN settings on your mobile phone. You can disconnect it here. You can see a pop-up at the top of screen and also when you drag it down from top. Now keep using VPN and enjoy using fast internet. That is how you can add VPN on Android. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.